Hello students, recently your SSC JE examination is completed. So now I would like to say what are the positives and what are the negatives you need to consider by writing the pattern or by observing the pattern of SSC JE and from the students who wrote the examination and who discussed it with me. Their positive and negatives you can understand and utilize those positives and negatives for your upcoming exams. It may be your state TSPSC exam, APPSC, TNPSC, whatever your state AEAAA. It may be our coming GATE and ESE examinations, whatever it may be. What a student must learn from the SSC JE examination. So the first thing the student must learn from SSC JE examination, study each and every subject. Give equal importance to each and every subject. Like for example, previously in SSC JE, building materials have a huge weightage, minimum 10 to 15 questions, sometimes 20 questions also. But this time, building materials weightage fall down. They changed the pattern because students have decoded, teachers have decoded the pattern and giving to students. So students are planning accordingly. But suddenly they changed the pattern. So if you want to get the top rank, finish 100% syllabus. If not possible, at least 80 to 85% syllabus. Minimum, you need to complete 80 to 85% syllabus if 100% not possible. But if possible, you want to be in the top 10 of any examination, you have to finish 100% of the syllabus. So weightage is changing sometime as per SSC JEE pattern. So you take it as a positive signal for your upcoming exams also. Give equal importance, finish the subjects as early as possible. Start new subjects and finish them as early as possible. Make your syllabus to be completed at least a minimum of 85%. Second thing, the students must know practice of question. Because you are attending the class, you are writing the notes, you are solving the question, and you are in a hurry or running towards syllabus completion. You are not revising, you are not practicing. So syllabus completion is not only important, you have to learn practice of question, you have to revise already completed. And to be frank, I will say, I received so many messages from GATE and ESE aspirants who written SSC JEE. They told very clearly, each and every question is from our classroom notes only. Each and every question is what we solved in the practice sessions only, not new. So give more preference to classroom notes, classroom solved questions, practice questions of our Unacademy. Don't run behind new question, new model, new model. Because I am receiving so many messages from students that, sir, where can we get new model? New model, no need to search. Already those new models are in your notes. Give more and more importance to your class notes question. That class notes questions will make you to crack any examination in India. So dear GATE and ESE aspirants, in environmental engineering in our plus course, we solved more than 1000 questions, including all, whatever it may be, full length course, solid waste management separate course, air pollution, or different practice session you have for one subject 1000. Geotechnical around 500 to 600 questions. Like that, for every subject you have plenty of question. Focus more on classroom question. Then continue revising the theory concept. So first one, give equal weightage to all subjects, finish at least 80 to 85% syllabus. Second one, revision and practice of class notes, very important. Third one, time management. The students are able to answer each and every question, but they are short of time, unable to finish within the time. That time management is very important for you, whether you are writing TSPSC, whether you are writing a GATE and ESC, whether you are writing state exam, WBPSC, OPSC, whatever it may be. You have to finish within the stipulated time all question. When it is possible? When you write online test, when you manage the time in online test, when you learn how to manage the time in online test, in final exam that will be easily managed. So without writing online test, it is impossible to find how to manage the time. That time management to finish within the stipulated time, that will play very important role in your GATE and ESE journey or any exam journey. So don't waste your time in unnecessary activities. Focus on revision, focus on practice of class notes question, previous year question, focus on online test series. And we have observed the question paper pattern. Most of the question, 50 to 60% questions from previous year papers only, give more importance to PYQs. So this, regarding this also I am receiving messages. Sir, we completed previous year questions once. Where some other questions will come? Once you have done, no problem, you done twice, thrice. At least 3 times you complete the previous year question. So that only your time in the final exam will be reduced. You get more clarity among the questions. So, and my sincere advice to those students who are preparing for TSPSC, APPSC, WBPSC, whatever your state AE exam, instead of going for a separate coaching for TSPSC or state exam, OPSC, WBPSC, separate coaching not required, join Unacademy's GATE and ESE course for 3 months or 6 months. As I told previously, each and every word of the question is from our notes only. So if you go for that separate AE coaching, separate JE coaching, maybe fees is somewhat less, but content also will be less. So full-fledged, full-length preparation, comprehensive preparation in the name of GATE and ESE. We are covering GATE and ESE, we are covering SSC JE, we are covering AE, we are covering a complete package of subjects over here. So maybe some 5,000 to 6,000 difference in the fees. Don't go for individual separate coachings. Go for one-time settlement in life. That one time is possible, a comprehensive course through our Unacademy GATE and ESE courses. Full length we are giving each and every concept very clearly. And I assure you, other than the notes, nothing to study for your state AE. So please join Unacademy GATE and ESE instead of joining SSC JE, instead of joining state AE. Take 6 months subscription. Your fees of AE is equal to 6 months of GATE and ESE. And now offer is going on. 52% off on Unacademy subscription. The best ever offer is coming over here. Use our universal code KPCivil and come under my personal guidance. Whatever exam you can write, I am with you. I support you to crack your dreams of your government job. Let's crack it, guys.